5. Pay attention to the beats. And it's very important that you don't break the circle. You have to get out in a pair if you want to get out. And more important, you have to get out. But I'm just saying, in case you want to get out, only get out in a pair.
And more important, don't break the sticks.
Don't break the sticks, don't break anybody's hands.
Please don't break the sticks and don't break anybody's hands. Don't eat on the...
We're going there. We're going there.
Just follow the steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All of them should be in sync.
You are going left, and then who is your partner? Will be an alternate partner on the other side, okay? At the ends, at the very ends, what we are doing? We're just turning around. Anybody who comes at the end, we're turning around. So those who are at the end, they will again become partners to the next neighbors. Got it? Okay, who is taking care of this circle? You be there, somebody be there to help them. We want a pair, so one more adult come in.
Yeah.
And okay, so let's do the steps. You just can watch me and Anushri, and then we'll repeat.
Yeah, just watched
Watch and then
Prameet and Anushri doing the steps, and you can repeat the same thing. One. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
okay. Hello. Hello. So it was clear? Is everybody ready? Yeah. Okay, so the other key item here is that don't hurt each other. This is soft. If you miss a step, don't try to make up that step. Go to the next step. You got it? We need to make sure that if a step is missed, if you missed a step, say step 2 is missed, don't wait to finish that step 2. Instead, go to the third step. Likewise. Got it? If you miss the 4th step, get to the 5th step. Alright? Are we ready? Awesome. Who is going to take care of this side? We need few more parents over here. Raj, bring one more partner over here so that they can help here. Okay. Are we in the pairs here? Okay, perfect. That's fine. That's fine. Make sure you distinctly go out. Make sure you get out so we know that which circles are there. No confusion. Go a little bit farther. Cool. Perfect. Sounds like a plan. Sounds very good. Okay. Thank you. Anushri is leaving. Thank you, Anushri. Thank you. Okay, are we having the pairs? Is everybody in the pair? Who is not? Okay, we have it. Okay, perfect. And how about there? Everybody's in a pair? Oh, they're in a pair? Okay, good. So,
Who is leading this?
Raj, but bring one more person here. On the other hand, so they will try to modulate the thing, you know. Okay, I just have one small request. Anybody is wearing shoes or chappal, please take it out. I see one girl, please take it out, that's okay. No problem now, but take it out. It's a respect to the goddess because we're singing for the goddess. Okay, so you're going to rewind. Okay, and after Dandiya, we will do the Sanedo, and after Sanedo, it's the Mumbai Di Gadi Aavi. Okay? Okay, we need two parents to man the corners, please. Srini, come this side, Raj. Make sure that till the end, they are there. Now one more thing, quick thing. The first 20 minutes is kind of slow, manageable. The last 6, 7, 8 minutes is a little fast. Don't worry, you still have to do it. In case it's too fast, get out in a pair, that's fine. We make sure, we want to have the whole dance be done in one shot. We don't want anybody to leave and come back again. This is not coming back, this is like doing it, okay? Alright, thank you. Alright, so let's get started. I'm going to say, when I say 1, that's your first beat. 2, 3, 4, 5. So now it's live, okay? So once it happens, then I'm going to say 1, that's when you start, okay? Alright, is everybody's attention here? I see people talking to total pin drops.
Pin drop silence.
What's that?